Have you ever heard of a weapon so massive that when it fired, it felt like the ground itself was shaking like an earthquake? This isn't a movie scene. This is real history. During World War II, Nazi Germany built the largest cannon ever created in human history, known as the Schwerer Gustav. Operating it was far from simple. It required thousands of people just to transport, assemble, and fire. Every single shot could take anywhere from 30 minutes to nearly an hour to prepare. Germany designed this weapon with one clear purpose: to destroy heavily fortified bunkers, underground bases, and massive concrete defenses that seemed impossible to break at the time. The engineering behind it came from Krupp, one of the most powerful industrial companies in Germany. They were tasked with creating something unstoppable, a weapon capable of crushing any defense line, no matter how strong. What they built was beyond imagination. The Schwerer Gustav was approximately 47 meters long, with a barrel stretching over 32 meters. It weighed around 1,350 tons, making it one of the heaviest artillery weapons ever constructed. To put that into perspective, it was like a moving building designed for war. A person standing beside it would look incredibly small, almost like an ant next to a massive machine. Because of its extreme weight, it couldn't be placed on regular ground. Engineers had to build 4 parallel railway tracks just to support and operate it. Transporting this giant was another major challenge. The entire weapon had to be dismantled into around 25 separate parts, loaded onto multiple trains, and carefully transported to the battlefield. Once it arrived, it had to be reassembled from scratch. The full setup process could take up to 6 weeks. Imagine spending over a month preparing a single weapon just to fire one shot. At its peak, more than 4,000 people worked around it, handling assembly, maintenance, ammunition, and operations. It wasn't just a weapon. It was an entire military system. Then came the shells. A high-explosive shell weighed about 4,800 kilograms. It could travel up to 40 kilometers and create a crater up to 12 meters deep upon impact. There was also an armor-piercing shell, even heavier at around 7,100 kilograms. This shell was designed to penetrate deep into reinforced concrete before exploding, capable of breaking through up to 10 meters of fortified structures. At that time, no bunker was truly safe from it. The Schwerer Gustav was used during the siege of Sevastopol, where German forces targeted heavily fortified Soviet defenses. One of its most notable strikes reportedly hit an underground ammunition depot, causing massive destruction and collapsing entire defensive positions. For a brief moment, it seemed like this weapon might change the course of the war.